what's going on, guys? Ronnie here with Osborn again, and today we're going to be going over a brand new product from Osborn, the Honey Badger. Now, you're probably thinking that's just a regular old wire wheel, but let me show you, it's nothing like a regular wire wheel. This thing, think of it as like a double barrel shotgun. It's going to do twice the damage, twice as fast. Not only that, having two brushes, it's going to last twice as long. You know, and that's what you want. You want your equipment to last long, and you want it to perform well. So I really believe this Honey Badger is going to be a game changer in all industries. That anybody that uses a wire wheel, this is going to be your new best friend. And now there's other wire wheels out there, yes, that are thick, right? So here's another thick one that Osborn makes. But you see the knots? The knots are fatter. So this is a softer brush, right? So you put two of these together and you get the Honey Badger. Now you can use this on anything you use a wire wheel on now, and it's just gonna work faster, it's gonna work better, and it's gonna last longer. And that's what you want. So I got some stuff here. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate a few things using the Honey Badger. So y'all check it out. All right, so what we got right here is some carbon steel. It's painted and primed, you know, something you would typically find out in the field. And on this side, we're gonna run one pass down with the single brush. And on this side, we're gonna run one pass down with the Honey Badger. All right, so clearly the proof is in the pudding, right? Honey Badger does way more damage than the old school single wire wheel brush. And I'm calling it the old school single wire wheel because this Honey Badger stuff, man, is new school technology, right? It's brand new, nobody's got this on the market, and it's exclusively only through Osborn, known as the Honey Badger. It's a double wire wheel. And to me, it's gonna be a game changer. I'm a pipe welder by trade, and I use a wire wheel every day, whether it's cleaning my material or cleaning my welds. And this Honey Badger is gonna be my new best friend because it's gonna work faster, it's gonna last longer, and overall be a better product for me. I have over here, I have a 6-inch coupon. I'm getting ready to do a hot pass on it, and this is gonna be perfect for cleaning out that hot pass. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so this is why I think it's so great for pipe welders. This double brush is gonna hit both sides of your beveled edge. So when you're trying to knock that slag off, it's gonna come off a lot easier and a lot faster. All right, so we got, I didn't do the whole thing. I just did right there, just do a little demonstration. But I'll go ahead and put a cap on it real quick. That way we can clean the cap off too with the Honey Badger. So there you have it right there. That's how I use a Honey Badger every day. You know, if you're a pipe welder, a welder in general, this new Honey Badger double wire wheel is gonna be your new favorite thing, man. I'm telling you, I love it. I know you'll love it. And any other trades out there, if you use a wire wheel, I know it's gonna be replaced with this Honey Badger. This is gonna be, this is next level, game changer. And I think it's gonna be a great addition to the industry. So if you guys like what you see here, go to osborn.com and check out the Honey Badger.